Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Madhusmita and you are welcome to Dear Wallet. If you are new to my channel and you like to see content related to lifestyle and beauty, do consider subscribe to my channel. You're not going to regret it. So yeah, with that being said, let's move on to our today's video. So today in this video, I'm going to review Mamaearth's newest launch, that is their kohl pencil and kajal, which I'm very excited to share it with you all because I feel that kajal is something that which everyone wears. I think that most of you guys started your makeup journey with kajal. For example, I started wearing kajal and liners when I was in class 5, and since then I'm totally obsessed with it, and I'm sure that you guys also love using kajals, and kajal is such an important thing in a girl's vanity. So as you guys can see, I have created this viral reverse swing liner thing, and I was really excited to try this one out. So I did this using this Mamaearth kohl pencil. First I'm going to talk about the kajals and then we'll move on to the application part, and then I'm going to give you my honest review on them. Let me present you to the Mamaearth's kajal, which are India's first kajal which is safe certified. As you all know that I love Mamaearth skincare products. I have also made like different videos on them as well. You guys have also purchased from my recommendation and you guys love it, so I'm very excited that they have launched their makeup range as well. Best thing about Mamaearth is that all their products are free from any harmful ingredients and they are all natural, and also they are plastic positive. So first I have their charcoal black long stay kohl with castor oil and chamomile, which makes it suitable for sensitive eyes. It also comes with a sharpener, and this is the one swipe pigmentation of the kohl, and it's very black, you guys. Next I have their charcoal black long stay kajal with vitamin C and chamomile, and all you have to do is just twist and apply as it glides on effortlessly, you guys. I can't even tell you that. And this is the one swipe pigmentation of it. Both of them are smudge free. As you guys can see, I tried hard to smudge but it didn't smudge or budge. I'm quite impressed with it, and the best part is that they are waterproof as well. I tried to even smudge it even with the water droplets and it didn't smudge or budge. So both of them are great for beginners and people with sensitive eyes, as they contain no toxins or any harmful chemicals. So I'm going to use the long stay kohl today for this look, and I'll be doing the reverse eyeliner look. So I'm starting with my waterline and it glided very smoothly on it, as you guys can see. And when I was trying to do the wing, I didn't put any pressure or tug or pull my eyes for it, as it glided on very smoothly. And this is the one swipe pigmentation, you guys. And I went on with another layer because obviously I wanted it to look very bold. So yeah, that was the final result, and as you guys can see, it's very black and it looks so gorgeous, you all. Saw in the demo part, you can clearly see that they are smudge proof and they are waterproof as well. And coming to the lasting power, I applied this kohl at 10 a.m. and currently it's 4:30 p.m. so it's been almost 7 hours, and as you guys can see, it's still intact. Like it hasn't smudged or budged. Even I haven't retouched it as well, and it's super duper hot here in Bhubaneswar, you guys. Still the kohl is intact, so I'm very impressed with this kajal. Again, you can use my code and get 20% off on your order. So yeah, you are going to save some bucks and it's very affordable as well. So you can buy them at Mamaearth, and also they are available in various e-commerce websites like Amazon, Purple, Nykaa and many more. As that every time you purchase anything from their website, your order will be linked to a tree that they plant. They are going to send you the geolocation picture and the species of the tree to you. So that's a great initiative, I feel. Also, they have launched their official app as well, so you can easily get access to their sales and get additional discount as well. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys like this look. Do not forget to like this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.